We are discussing a topic is called as synchronization task. So we see here, click on new, go to task. In the task we are having synchronization task. So here synchronization task is synchronize the data between source and target to integrate applications, database and files. So here we do the synchronization task. We load the data into a single table only. Now we see in replication task we are loading two different tables, bulk more than one table we are seeing. Now here the synchronization task it synchronize the data in one single table only. We keep in mind this one. Here we need to have target table. There we are created a runtime, but here we have to have a target table. We can go to target with logics insert, update, delete, upsert. So for insert, it will do automatically insert, but update, delete, and upsert we should have a primary key. Keep in mind, for update, delete, and upsert we should have a primary key. So we go to new synchronization task and we go here synchronization task 2 and with task operation is going to insert the data. So first of all I have to truncate this uh, table. So before that in the core table we are having employees 1. We see is this having a primary key or not. Yes, it is having primary key. Yes, nullable. Okay, we have to import into t underscore employees one. So we see is their data is available or not in this select star from t underscore employees one. We are having the data here. So now I will truncate table t underscore employees one. So with this employee and employees in the source and employees T underscore employees core, we'll see the synchronization task operations also. Now we go with the insert operation. Click on next and we have to select the source connection here. Uh, So source type is single. Multiple means we know already we seen that file list concept in our previous examples. Okay, so we are having select object. So object is our employees table. Okay, here data preview also will come here and click on next. We do select our target table. So we have to select t underscore employees one, t underscore employees one. So truncate target. We are inserting the data, so we already deleted the data. So we have to truncate. No need to truncate target and enable. We don't do any here, and we go for next. Here we can give the filters also, so we can process the uh, only the first 100 rows like that. We will give the row limit also here. Data filter also we can give. Already we seen in the data filter. So here I am not giving any data filter. Just I am sending next. So here we do have this is employee ID is a primary key, and here employee ID we see our source table and we have here auto map and we can give the expression also here. We can give expression and we can look up the data from other tables also by using this lookup symbol. So we can select the lookup also and we can So we can schedule the day schedule also, we can do schedule also. And we go here and click on finish. So the data is mapped here, and click on run. The synchronization task now will store the data from source to target. So source is HR schema, or target is a core schema. Now we see in the, so already 106 records are processed here. So we see select star from T underscore employees one. So our data is inserted. Now I am doing here. We go to synchronization task, and I'm going to edit. So instead of insert, I'm doing update. So update. So when I am doing update, it only updates the data. When we are going for upset, it insert and as well as update, and we do the finish and go run. Go to my jobs. You see here. So when we are doing update, it is automatically goes to the our target table, and we check with the primary key column, and it will update all the records. So here we are getting warning. So which warning we see here? I think it doesn't have primary key. So has no keys. So it had error. T underscore employees one is has no key specified. So we have to create a primary key for that. Then only it will going to store in the target table. So the update observations will work when when the target table is having the primary key. Then only the operations will perform. Okay, so we have to create a employee one. For the employee one, we have to create a primary key, then only it works. Okay, so these are the synchronization task properties. And for more videos, okay, please subscribe and like. Thank you.